Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a section called My Sites. This section is contained in every single builder that we have. So if, for example, you click on the drag and drop pixel perfect, you will have a My Sites option, and so on with the responsive sites also. So let's go ahead and take a look. So once in here, you are able to see many buttons, and each button has a different functionality. So each button will help you with something different. Over here in the beginning, guys, we have a new website button. So if you click on this, you'll be brought to a page full of templates that you can choose from to edit your website and start creating that website. Okay, so let's go back to My Sites. Okay guys, over here we can go ahead and talk about this box. If you want to, for example, search for a website, so let's say you have a really long page and long list of websites and you know exactly what the name of the website that you're looking for is, you can go ahead and search for it right here. So for example, if I'm looking for this website over here, I will type support, and there it is. So really useful box in case you have a long list of websites. So next button is our category button, and if we click over here, we have a list of the categories that we have made. And to make a new category, you can choose this button over here. So go ahead and click on that, and over here, really simple, you can create a completely new category. So let's create a tutorial category and save. So over here, as you can see, we have a couple of columns, different columns over here. And don't worry, this configure button is just to configure the category. So you can change the name of the categories or you can delete the category. Over here, same button as before to create a category right here. First of all, guys, this column named description gives you an option to add a description to your website. So let's say you have a e-learning website, but you don't know exactly maybe in what state the website is and what it is for. You can go ahead and add a description here. Let's say tutorial purposes, and we can go ahead and save. So if I have an actual e-learning website that I'm using, but it's not a tutorial for tutorial purposes, I know that this is not the right one. Okay, so there you go. A description is really nice to have for your website. Second of all is the category column. So over here, any categories that you choose, you will be available to have them right next to your e-learning or 7 days funnel. So right next to your website description. So over here, guys, to add a category to your website, all you have to do is click in more options and you can edit the category. Over here, you choose the category and you'll be all set. Next is the column of status. So if a status is active, that means your website is published. So that means people can go ahead and actually access that website. If your status says inactive, to activate your website, you will click in more options and you will go down here and click in publish. So let's go ahead and unpublish and see exactly what that looks like. So once my site is unpublished, as you can see also the name of the website is now in black and instead of being blue. Okay, so it's now no longer clickable. So I cannot access my website by clicking the name. Okay, so as you can see, the status also changed to inactive. So we can go ahead and publish that website, click OK, and we'll be good to go. Next, we have our actions. So we can either edit our website, we can transfer our website, or we have more options here to choose from. So if we click on the edit, we will jump right into the editor, which will open a new page in our browser, and we'll be able to edit that website. So let's go ahead and exit out of the editor. And over here, transfer is a button that allows you to transfer that website to another Builderall account. So let's say you want to leave this account behind and you're creating a new one with new purposes, and you know you're experienced now, so you want a new account. You can go ahead and click in the transfer button and put in the email for your Builderall account, for your new one that you're using, and that website will be transferred to that account. So this button over here, all it is for you to be able to keep a website in case you're switching from accounts, or actually if you want to send that website to some somebody you know that also owns Builderall. You can go ahead and click in more options, and you have a couple of nice different features over here. So first of all, we already talked about publishing our website, and second, we can connect our domain right over here. Once you've bought your domain, maybe in GoDaddy or somewhere else, you can go ahead and click here, and over here should go your domain. Right under, we have really nice information that we do not want to miss when we're doing this. Our name servers will be right over here, and this will need to be added wherever you bought that domain, so that domain is pointed to Builderall and everything works nice. Okay, so there you go, guys. We'll put the domain here, and you click save, and you'll be good to go. Click on more options. You can rename your website. So for example, my website right now is called e-learning. I could go and change that name. Okay, anything I'd like. Go ahead and save, and that name would be changed. So go ahead and click in more options once again, and over here we have an option to duplicate our website. So let's say our website is done, but maybe there will be some bugs and you want to fix it, but you don't want to mess around too much with the official original version. You can go ahead and duplicate the website, and you will have a second e-learning. So e-learning copy 1, we could go ahead and edit, and it would look exactly the same. All the elements and everything will be over here. So really nice feature if you want to look into your website before doing anything major. Click here in more options again, and we have the edit category button. So like I said, you can go over here, and in this case we have the category sales funnel. We could go here and put a 7-day free trial. We could save, and our category would be changed, as you guys can see. Click in more options once again, and we can have this button here that says public layout. So what you guys can do with this is, if your website is public, you could be in the editor and you could get your website URL. So right in the editor, if you get URL and you share it with somebody, they would be able to actually edit your website for you. So if I click on public layout, it will be now public. Okay, so I clicked it, and now it is on public layout. So that means if I share that URL with somebody, they would not be able to edit that website. So every time you click here, what appears next is the actual configuration that has been taking place. And last but not least, guys, it is the red delete button. If you need to delete the website, all you have to do is click on this button and click OK. Pretty much, guys, that's all about my sites over here in Builderall. I hope I've helped you a little bit by showing you exactly what each button does for you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.